mode of goodness. Under my influence, the soul is conditioned to a sense of well-being and happiness. So you may become a poet, a philosopher, a teacher, or a monk. Your living habits will become very clean and simple, and you will be inclined to work, but for the welfare of others. Beware, however, that I may trap you into a sense of comfort and complacency, and thus ruin your chances for spiritual liberation.
Hello, hello! I'm Passion, vote for me! Only thing, everyone knows me, I'm famous. I am the standard for all modern civilization. Under my influence, the soul feels longing and hankering and unlimited desires. For what? Why the good things in life, of course, honor, prestige, a nice home, wife, children. You need these things. You can't live without them. When I'm by your side, you work hard, like an ass for a bigger car, another car, a bigger home. You need a pool, fool. Your bank balance is too low, Joe. Don't be a slow. Get ahead. Get ahead. It's a rat race. Doggy dog. You snooze. You lose. Gotta go. Can't stay here. Time is money. Let's do work sometime.
Hi, I'm ignorant. Anyone have a chair? Could you bring it over here for me?
But I'm the narrator.
You're gonna make me stand here the whole time? I've been here for like 5 minutes. Ignorance is bliss. Now, let me tell you how I feel about life. It's okay to think about all the things you're gonna do. That can be fun. But don't bother to actually do anything you don't have to. Because then you might make yourself really tired. And when you don't get what you want, you get frustrated. And the government takes away everything you make anyway. And your wife demands stuff, and you can never satisfy her. So you work harder and harder. Still, she takes off with the kids and leaves you all alone and depressed. Then, all you can think of is ending your miserable life. Oh, I need a pick-me-up.
You're gonna drink now, in front of all of these people?
Hey, don't make me do it.
Easy, easy, easy.
Oh, that is the spot. Now, what was I talking about? Kind of been very important. I better have some more. I'm starting to feel tense. Starting to think. Under my influence, the soul deludes himself. He sleeps. He dreams.
The chair? All right, thank you, Mose. Now, would you come here a second? It's all right, don't worry. Now, what I'm going to do is summon a soul, and I want each of you to influence him in your own particular way. He will be completely unsuspecting and naive, so you shouldn't have any trouble at all. All right? Any questions? All right, go get ready. O spirit soul, I summon you to appear here. The material world is your playground. What does he want? He wants to be free. He wants to enjoy or exploit this material world. But he is unaware that at every step, he will be controlled by these three modes. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that sometimes the mode of passion becomes prominent and defeats the mode of goodness. And sometimes the mode of goodness defeats passion. And at other times, the mode of ignorance defeats both goodness and passion. In this way, there is always competition for supremacy. Then, Lord Krishna explains the mode of goodness. He says that the mode of goodness, being more pure than the other modes, is illuminating and frees one from all sinful reactions. One situated in this mode develops knowledge, but becomes conditioned by the concept of happiness.
Namaste, spirit soul.
Namaste.
Come with me for a walk in the beautiful countryside. Look. I've brought us a healthy picnic lunch. The air is clean here, and we can be free from the agitating elements of the city. Sit here. Have some pure spring water.
Thank you, goodness. Isn't it lovely here? It's so peaceful. I feel like I could stay here forever. Just look at how blue that sky is.
Here, spirit soul, have some of this organic fruit.
Oh, thanks. Delicious. Isn't nature beautiful, goodness? The rolling hills, oh, the birds' sweet songs. I feel that we are meant to live in harmony with nature and enjoy her bounty. I feel such happiness just being here with you. It makes me feel glad to be alive and enjoying God's beautiful creation.
More spring water?
Sure.
Then, Lord Krishna explains the mode of passion.